Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common issue with Squarespace text blocks whereby the block quote or the quote formatting doesn't quite work correctly. It seems to show fine in the editor, but then as soon as you save it, all of that formatting is kind of gone. So I'm going to be showing you how to use some custom CSS to fix this, to make sure that your quotes stand out and look as impactful as possible. So here I am in a new Squarespace website. This is just a blank template that I've set up, and I'm going to run you through what the main issue is. So I'll go ahead and create a new page. I'll go for a blank page and I'm just going to call it block quote demo. Once this page loads up, I'm going to go ahead and add a classic section just to keep it simple, but the same applies to any section. And I'm going to go ahead and paste in some text, which I copied earlier. And now essentially the issue is that when you click this quote formatting option, this is how it should look. This is what it looks like in the text editor. But as soon as I hit save and exit, you'll see that all of that formatting is lost. If I reload the page, it's the same. So unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be working. Seems to be a bit of a glitch. You can see that I've still got this formatted. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is to highlight our text, apply the formatting, hit save and exit, and you'll see, like I've said, that the formatting is lost. Then you're going to want to go over to Website Tools and CSS, or alternatively, you can just search CSS using the shortcuts. And that's going to bring up a window that looks like this. And in here, we're going to want to type block quote, and then we're going to type padding left 20 pixels and just add a semicolon on the end. Now you can see that basically added a little bit of margin to the left hand side of the text block. That's without and that's with it. And then I'm also going to add margin left 20 pixels, and that's going to add again a little bit more space to it. What I'm then going to do is add a border. So I'm going to go border dash left, and I'm going to go with 5 pixels solid red and add a semicolon, and then you can see that we've got a red border basically to the left of the text block. Now normally you wouldn't want that to be red, you might want it to be another color, so you can use any standard kind of hex code that HTML supports in there. In my case I'm going to go with this, which is just a light gray, and should kind of do the job. I might also want to add a little bit of padding above and below, so that looks still a little bit tighter than the original version, so I'll add padding top 20 pixels and padding bottom 20 pixels. And making sure to add the semicolon at the end. I might change that to 10, so it looks a little bit too much. Perfect. If you want to increase the width of the border, you can just change this value here, so from 5 to 10. And you'll see that that gets a lot stronger, or you can make it, 2 if you want it to be a lot more minimal and sleek. I'll stick with 5, and that is pretty much looking good. So all you then need to do is hit save, and now as you'll see, if you refresh the page, reload it, all the formatting is kept. You can use this as normal. So if you have a heading here that's not got the block quote formatting, none of that is going to affect, or none of this custom coding is going to affect any of that. But as soon as you basically click that, it's going to get formatted in the same way. This is just something you'll have to do once, and it will apply throughout the whole site. So yeah, all you'll need to do is save, exit, and then that should be it sorted. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you want to see any other tutorials, and in the meantime, check back soon for more. Thanks so much.